Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at this new eSIM option right here by Xesim. This is great. If you happen to travel abroad, you need multiple numbers, this makes it easier for you to enable that in your phone along with their app. Let's get right into it. So this is everything that's included. You've got the SIM card that can be broken down into various sizes depending on your phone, as well as the little tool to get it in and out. So once you get the app downloaded, this is what it looks like once you set up your account here. Now you can easily scroll on the main page here and see what kind of curated options they have for service. But if you go to the lower control bar down here at the bottom, you can click on eSIM, and this is where you're going to be able to set up your card slot first and foremost. And then if we hit the thumbs up button over here, this is going to allow you to find different eSIM brands and service. So you can either scroll to the left and to the right. Maybe you know you're going to a particular destination. So let's just choose, I don't know, Thailand. Sounds like fun. You're going to click on this. This is going to open up, and then now you can go and choose up here between the filters, whether it's cheapest, best price, etc. And you can see what type of service is available, what kind of data they're going to give you for that particular rate. And then when you're ready to make a purchase, you can hit that buy now button, and then it's just going to take you through that process to associate service with the SIM card that you've got here. Once you've got the SIM card loaded in, now you're going to be able to download different eSIMs from those different providers. They'll give you different download instructions or a QR code that automatically makes everything happen. So we could do that. And we're just going to go through the process right here. So it takes just a minute for the eSIM to connect and get set up. But once it does, you're ready to go. So let me demonstrate just so you can see right up here. Wi-Fi is turned off right there. Boom, like so. Okay, so we're going to close all of my apps just so it's all cleared out, nothing is cached. We come back over here to TikTok, just quick and easy. You can see this is going to open up, right? I'm going to be able to scroll, watch different stuff. Obviously, live feeds are popping up here. Okay, all the normal stuff. Yeah, great. And you can see in the upper right-hand corner too that it says 5G. We've got service. All of that stuff is working, and it just took a few minutes. So as you can see, it's a simple and straightforward way to open up your phone to additional possibilities while traveling abroad, managing multiple numbers all with their app, and only needing to do it with just one phone.